Former President and Head of State Olusegun Obasanjo has come out to speak on the state of the nation. In his usual speech, he stressed the fact that Nigeria is fast becoming a failed state as we express challenges in economy and security. In response to this, Garba Shehu, speaking for the president, says it's nothing but fiction. And let's get the views and submissions of Nigerians on this, on what they would say about the comment of the former president. This is Vox Pop on Flip TV. I am Christian Chuku.
Obasanjo is completely 100% correct. Who are we children? Even a newborn baby will tell you that the economy now is bad. People are suffering. Go to market now. A derico of rice we normally buy for 150 naira. How much is it? 500. One man cannot buy even ordinary water. We cannot buy it now. They hike everything, no food, no money, everybody is suffering. Everybody, even me talking now, I cannot even remember the day I take 2 square meals a day. Obasanjo, who says that the man is wrong, he is completely right. The president is trying to defend the government at the detriment of the poor people. Do you understand? That's the little one I can say about it. He is in order. It's only a fool that will condemn what he said. It's only a fool that will condemn him. He is completely in order.
Don't you expect this, because looking at the allegations that PDP has destroyed the country for over 16 years, that in order to rebuild the country will take time. So don't you expect that some of these things will happen before Nigeria becomes better?
See, my brother, we are only saying what we don't know. When APC were about to come into power, they claim that they are going to rebuild this country in 1 year, not even 2 years. But what has happened today? When you are not there, you claim to be the best. But Buhari has entered now, he has seen that he has failed the country completely. What PDP could do in 16 years, these people have said they will do it in 1 year. But for me, if you allow this government to continue, 20 years to come, Nigeria, everybody will leave this country and find somewhere else.
Are you saying that they're not doing anything?
Nothing for me. From my own assessment, nothing has happened. The economy has not improved. There is hunger in the country. People are suffering. Virtually everything. No light, no food. What are we talking about?
Are you talking about APC as a party or the presidency?
APC as a party has failed us. Look at other states. What is happening there? You go to different states in Nigeria now, everybody is complaining. If the president has failed us, what of the other states? The governors have failed us. Are they not part of the government? It's APC we are talking about. APC has completely failed the country. Sincerely, they have failed.
Okay, that means you support Obasanjo?
Yes, I support him. He's an elder statesman. I'm an Igbo man. I support him. When Jonathan was going wrong, a little bit wrong, he didn't keep quiet. He made it open. Why then are they attacking him now? Do you understand? Nobody should attack him.
That instead they have tried their best making Nigeria better. So we're asking people, what do you think? Is the presidency right or Obasanjo right?
Yeah, Obasanjo is not wrong. He's a man that sees beyond the boundary. He's a proactive man. But what I'm now telling you that this government came in with fake promises that they are going to do this, do that. They have not fulfilled anything.
Have they not tried their best?
Nothing. Okay, tell me now. You close the border. You don't have enough food in your own country. You close the border. Gone are those days, like 2013, 14, we're buying a cup of rice, how much? 140, 150 naira. But now it's 400 naira. Even Nigerian rice. Even the rice we are producing in this country, people cannot afford to buy. Is that a country? You increase electricity tariff. Even the one people have been paid before, have been paying, they are not able to pay, and you increase it. We are not even out of pandemic. The season is down. Instead of you to compensate your citizens, to let things balance before you increase fuel, you increase electricity tariff. He came to alleviate the poverty, to liberate us, and he came to put us more perpetual poverty. And let me to be frank, Jonathan was there. We were having Boko Haram, yes, they were disturbing him. Now it's more times 10. There's no security in the country, and the country is more divided. Nigeria is not more Nigeria will know. We cannot, before you use 2,000 to cook a pot of soup, now 5,000 we will not be able to cook a pot of soup.
Don't you expect this, since we are having pandemic, don't you expect that the country should...
Yeah, the pandemic, you know, something has happened. Pandemic, yes, it's worldwide. But our own country, other countries, the advanced countries, they manage their own economy. They are in terms of food. They eat, there's money with them, but now there's no food. Even come to think of this, the children that are at home during the pandemic, they use about how many billion to feed them, people that are at home. It's so crazy. The man there, I don't think he has no Nigerian problem is not in his heart.
You don't have the people on. You don't have people.
Yes. He don't know how to manage people. In other countries, if the economy is down, they will resign honorably. If you cannot cope, you go. I can remember vividly, Fashola said, any country, any government that cannot handle light problem for 6 months, they have failed. Up till now, this is 50 years. No tangible improvement. It's pains upon the citizens.
Nigeria now is the failed state.
Yes, a failed state. Wow. Nobody should tell anybody. We are seeing it. We are hearing billion, trillion. If give this government 100 trillion, Nigeria will still remain nothing.
Corruption is everybody is not like
you are fighting corruption. The people around you, they are corrupt. We have seen the case of Kano State. Dollar. On video like this, nothing is happening. Like Oshomola is talking up and down. During Jonathan or Obasanjo, he was the NSC president. If they want to increase fuel, everywhere, protest, burning everywhere. Do you see any protest now? A government that opposition cannot talk. If you talk, they'll come and pick you. Look, in your family, if you are doing something wrong, if one of your brothers talk to you, you have to adjust. The government is not adjusting. They are not adjusting. If you talk anything tangible, anything that will bring the progress of this country, they attack you, they'll come and pick you. You are free expression, free. You are in democracy. You cannot talk. What is hate speech? In 2013, 14, 15, PM News, every 4 o'clock, you see bombarding Jonathan, this, Jonathan, that. You see PM News now. You cannot talk. When things are going wrong, you have to talk. But if you talk, they'll pick you. So the government is a failed state.
Thank you very much.
We say that APC born from the foundation of APC.
Is APC or corruption generally?
Yes.
PDP or everybody. No, you know, corruption is like something
we know the party. We mention the party that is ruling under somebody that control. APC as a whole under Buhari government is a liar. It's #1 corruption in this country.
APC, they are Nigerians there. We are all Nigerians. They say corruption. Nigerians are corrupt.
Well, it's all Nigeria, but I'm not. I did not vote for APC because when I go back on my record, when Buhari was a military head, I find that in the government of Buhari as the head of state, it was Idiagbon that ruled. You understand? But why can we go and brought him again to power? Even if you look at when this man Osibanjo take over, when he traveled out, Osibanjo as a second in command was trying to put things in order. Then the Northern people, the Northern elders, has to warn him that don't do, because they know that that time of when brother was the head of state, it is Idiagbon people knows. Now that is why Osibanjo keep calm. You understand? Now this government is a liar. It's totally 30%, 300% corruption.
What have they lied on? What have they lied?
Lying.
What have they lied? You say they are lying. What have they lied on?
#1, during the time of campaign in the 2015, He says he's going to feed the children. I did not see.
It's a promise now.
It's a promise.
Promise can be.
Now, let me tell you, if you have a father tomorrow, he went to a market, said that he will buy something, he come back, he no buy. Tomorrow he come again, he no buy. Just tomorrow, would you believe him? You will not believe him. You will not believe him. And this Lai Mohammed made this APC to be more than a liar. Because he lied, because his name is Lai Mohammed. Look at the country now. What Obasanjo just said is nothing but the truth. The country is going down. It's going down. It's totally corrupted. Look at the 5 years in government of Buhari. How much look at the money that he borrowed from outside country. Who is going to pay that money?
We Nigerians.
We Nigeria. Would you pay that type of money and look at the Nigerian back again? They will continue to pay debt. Nigeria will still continue to go down. They have sold this country, sold the children's future, sold everything in this country, finished to the China. So the country is totally. Obasanjo is an, let me say, elder statesman. You understand?
During his own time, what did he? You see, people are saying about during his own time, what did he do?
Whether Obasanjo do bad in that time, I know that. That time and this time, if you look at the situation, you will know that that time of Obasanjo was 100% more than this time, better than this time. In what way? Obasanjo, before he left the government, he paid Nigerian debts. You understand? What would this one do? If I can, let me tell you, in the projects of this APC, which of the projects of this APC started fresh, that when he left the government, another person will continue there. All the projects that APC is following is what the past PDP has started down. In terms of BVN, Jonathan started it down. Jonathan, which one? APC. But he's borrowing money from every week. Now, before December, he's going to borrow more than 3 times again. I don't blame him because when Buhari contested for 3-4 times, he fell. He fell and promised that he will not come back to power. I blame our elders, the South elders, that called him from the north to come and rule for the 2023 ambitions, what we have, what they wanted to go to correct. And they will never spend that presidency for South. So South is still, the presidency still go back to the northern people, not South.
Oh, you are saying that Nigeria is...
Have you not seen? You asked me, have you not seen the situation?
Please, people are suffering.
Is it not a normal thing all around the world because of the pandemic? People are suffering. The pandemic.
I know, but the Nigerian situation is very worst. No job, everything, but our own situation is worse more than the other part of the world.
Why do you say so?
Because everything is not working in place. Government did not play their role. That is my.
Is it because our leaders are not doing well, or is it because we are not holding our leaders responsible?
Our leaders are not responsible to do what is right for the citizens.
Nigeria is a failed state. You support the
I support Obasanjo motion.
You don't support Buhari?
I don't support Buhari. I support Dababa.
Something as Osinbajo dey there now. They no go see. Wait to as Osinbajo dey there now. You know they possible wey be say Buhari, they will come change Buhari. The way Yoruba come dey, we will come gree say no be Buhari. Say na another person. You know they possible now.
You know say a country like Nigeria now, example like this, you know they see the effect of the presidency. You know this say they talk true they what they talk.
Na lie. Me, I no go believe.
Nigeria na failed state.
See, Ogami, Nigeria don't civilize past like this. As Nigeria dey like this, Nigeria don't dey civilize. Okay. Nothing will go happen for this life where people no go know. I know how the time where Yaradua die, where they say this thing, they no bring and come out. And as a Muslim concern, as far as say you die, you understand me, they go bury you. Ah yes, they will say problem if happen, say another person Osinbajo no go fit dey there.
Abba Kyari na Muslim. When he die, they say they bury him once. Abba Kyari.
No, say Abba Kyari die, say they bury him once, but they still bury him.
Buhari as a Muslim, if you die, they go bury you once. Okay.
see, leave that one. Buhari no go fit die. We be say Buhari go die. They will come talk say, another person will come become Nigeria president. Who no like better thing? Osibanjo will come there, come do like say na mumu imbi. Not dey possible now. You say check and act now. All those things are just sweet talk.
Na side talk.
They fuck up that one day now. Already they fuck up now. Now only the person will rule for Nigeria. Where me I like pass, no pass Yaradua. And changing of government. See, you know what I mean? Obasanjo self doing own. Because the time where Yaradua died, fuel day for 75 naira, they reduce that to 65 naira. Any government will enter, it go like to increase. That is just that. You understand me? Since from the beginning, Obasanjo self, he do his own too. Because things self, things they low the time where Obasanjo did. You understand? When Obasanjo enter, he can increase his own to so naira. All of them they come. Good luck to do his own subsidy. Buhari now can't do overdue. Now Buhari they do. You know, men using head. I not talk say Baba do well. Only person will do well. Baba say not to do well. Because during the time before Baba enter, fuel that time he dey low. Ali they say for whether no waiting be 80. Now waiting be 85 now. That time na 27 and be 25 now. No, before Buhari, before this person enter Obasanjo, that time that year 2000 and 20 something before he can increase to 65 per liter. Before they come do at 75, when this person can enter Yaradua, he reduce am from 75 to 65. Good luck enter internal to ammo subsidy 19 naira. And bring am to 85. Wetin make you no leave am 65? Buhari na him spoil everything. Nigeria na dey fuck up. 160 na. May no worry now. God day. Which Baba? I beg, person will support do this Nigeria self. We support fine whether now. I don't even know self. You know waiting good for this our government. You know understand me? Before they go rule, they supposed to they sign. You understand me? Say if you not do it, majority people complain about you as they come out, they go straight to prison. That one fit make them. It's possible now.
Okay, what you are saying? Nigeria don't fail.
Nigeria is a first state already. It's a first state already. Nothing is moving in this country. Nothing is working in the country. Nothing.
So you can't say nothing is working because...
What is working in the country? You can tell me what if it's not something working in the country. Tell me what is working.
Now marketers are giving like telecommunication now.
Telecommunication. Yeah, telecommunication was it? Wait, telecommunication was it brought by this government? It was brought by the passenger government. So why are you not giving credit to Buhari? Do you give Buhari what is not achieved?
No. When they stop, they continue from there. So
continue. They already the telecommunication already stand on the ground before Buhari came to power.
What about the farmer?
Okay, the farmer they said they want to plant in Nigeria so that there will not be any importation of rice. Since 5 years now, have you seen the rice?
we are not lacking rice.
We are lacking something because something you are buying 8,000 naira, you are buying 30,000 naira. You say you are not lacking.
We are expecting, don't you expect because of the COVID-19?
Before COVID-19 came, it is like that.
That's fake.
Even if increase on what? One other country are giving palliative to their own citizens. Their government is increasing everything. Another people are giving their country something to cushion the effect of COVID-19. And your government is adding more pain to you as a citizen. I say, is that how it is in another country?
Tell me that.
Look at Ghana here. Okay. Ghana here, they say that the citizens should not pay electricity for 3 months. And Nigeria is increasing their own.
You say Nigeria did not give palliative at all?
Which palliative? I didn't see any palliative. Which is some people, other countries, some people receive. Other countries, some people receive. Is it not all of that? All their citizens are receive. So why are you saying other people receive, other people do not receive? Those people that are receive, do they have 10 heads? What others who do not receive have 1 head?
Okay, what you are saying, Lai Mohammed and they don't know what they are saying.
What are they saying? They have been live from the beginning. So is it today?
Then you go and bring that person again, come to me and everybody.
This government is not
close.
Is it competent?
That is good for the Yorubas. Because they brought this government. Now they have closed the border in Yoruba land. They leave the one in the north.
We are the one.
And they are still shouting Sebaba.
I mean, support what Obasanjo.
Why not? Why not? Is Nigeria not the first state already?
What they are saying about faith is not today's issue, and it's not a yesterday's issue. It's what they have already laid down. It's like rule or constitution. Before we can move forward in this country or we have betterment life, at least we have to change a lot of things like constitution. That's for most. The constitution have to be changed. Even if you are dig, when in the constitution that we are using, and we know that it's the military constitution. It's not a democracy constitution. It's a military constitution. And now, what the military are trying to do is that for their own function, that the constitution that they are doing, to be benefited from it. Now, let me go straight about the failed state. We know that this country, as we are now, is already failed.
Okay, before Buhari, Abi?
Before Buhari, it has failed and continue failed now. But we pray to God not to continue. Yeah. Now, talking of Obasanjo, what he said. I've already told someone here that before you can make yourself a principal man, you can boldly be coming out to say something that this so person, what is he has doing is not good. You have to be saints. You have to make yourself plain. Before you blame others, look at yourself. Do I have blaming? Or someone have already blamed me for so issue. Let me raise the one issue about this blaming. We know that this presidency issue is a Sony, as we know. Now, when it comes to Southwest, what was the impact Obasanjo made to the Southwest when he was the president? That's first question. My answer to the question is that this Obasanjo that we are saying, not that I'm blaming him, he tries his own power. But for the Southwest, Tinubu created local government, but Obasanjo against the. Because of that, he was not paying this Lagos State's allocation.
I remember.
You remember that time, Tango. That's first point. Second point, did you know the third agenda that Obasanjo had before he left the government?
Elongation of tenure.
Did you know that the constitution that this man was trying to introduce to the House of Assembly to support him? It started to increase their salary, their allocation, or their allowance. All. I can say it boldly that it was Obasanjo that increased the House of the payment of House of Assembly. It's the one that exposed them more than this. So now, before you can be saying a fair state, you too, you have clear. What
you're saying is that what you're saying, Obasanjo saying that Nigeria is a failed state, he should look at himself. If he has failed, he doesn't have a right.
He doesn't have a
to call somebody
not someone,
or anything he failed.
What I believe that Obasanjo should be saying as at now, how to call our youth in orders to educate us, to give us how they are leading country. We know what we are having, it's Actor General that is ruling us. Now we need someone that can educating us to teach us how the step that we will take to move this country forward. That's what I believe. Baba should call the youth orders, invite them, give them the youth what they need to lead. So that's what I believe.